Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. You will be surprised to know what this Muslim brother did to a Hindu family in the Indian city of Kudrat. In this video, after a fire breaks out in the house of a Hindu family, this neighboring Muslim brother goes to save them without thinking about his own safety. What happened after that, you will see in the full video. A fire broke out in the house of a Hindu family in the state of Gujarat, India. The fire spread so much that the members of the house could not get out. As a result of the fire, all around was trying to stop the fire. No one was coming to save them. As a result, the Muslim brother brought out the Hindu family one by one from the smoke of the fire without thinking of saving himself. Such brotherhood is not easily seen in the present age, where helping others without thinking about oneself. The Muslim brother applied his Islamic education here. He who saved one's life saved the life of the entire mankind. This is mentioned in the Holy Quran. He did not even think about being a Hindu. He risked his life to gain the pleasure of Allah. Dear brothers and sisters, don't forget to share your opinion about this Muslim brother in the comment box. May the Almighty Allah guide you to the Jannah. آخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. الله حافظ.
تقال العثار العظام به ويعود الهوى ككبش ذبيح بذكر الإله تطيب الحياة تسر أسارير وجه صبيح تسر